5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers in Lithuania. Lithuania is one of Europe's fastest-growing e-commerce markets, known for its strong logistics infrastructure and access to high-quality products. Whether you're targeting the Baltic region or customers across Europe, partnering with reliable dropshipping suppliers in Lithuania can give your store a competitive edge. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Lithuania to help you scale your online business and meet customer demands. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Lithuania. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, home goods, or beauty products, these suppliers will help you access quality inventory, competitive prices, and efficient shipping options to grow your business. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's dive in. At number 5, UAB Baltica Internet Works. Kicking off our list at number 5 is UAB Baltica Internet Works, a Lithuanian company offering dropshipping-friendly services. What they offer. This supplier specializes in home goods, electronics, and office supplies. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their streamlined order processing and focus on quality make them a reliable partner for your business. Shipping advantage. Being located in Lithuania, UAB Baltica provides fast delivery throughout the Baltic region and Europe. If you're looking for a trusted local supplier with a focus on electronics and home goods, UAB Baltica is a solid choice. At number 4, AliExpress, Lithuanian suppliers. Coming in at number 4 is AliExpress, a global marketplace with many Lithuanian-based suppliers. What they offer. AliExpress provides a wide variety of products, from fashion and electronics to home decor and accessories. Why they're popular. With its ease of integration into platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, AliExpress is perfect for automating your dropshipping business. Shipping advantage. Lithuanian-based suppliers on AliExpress offer faster delivery times to European customers. If you're looking for variety and automation in your dropshipping operations, AliExpress is a reliable platform to explore. At number 3, Venepack. Next up at number 3 is Venepack, a logistics company offering dropshipping fulfillment services in Lithuania. What they offer. Venepack provides warehousing, order fulfillment, and shipping solutions for businesses sourcing from or selling in Lithuania. Why it's great for dropshipping. They simplify inventory management and provide fast, reliable delivery to customers across Europe. Local advantage. Venepack's Lithuanian headquarters ensure seamless support for Baltic and European markets. If you want efficient logistics and fulfillment services for your dropshipping store, Venepack is a great partner to consider. At number 2, BigBuy, European hub. Coming in at number 2 is BigBuy, a European dropshipping supplier with operations covering Lithuania. What they offer. BigBuy provides a massive catalog of products, including home goods, electronics, fashion, and beauty items. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their multilingual platform and easy integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, and PrestaShop make it simple to manage your store. Shipping advantage. BigBuy's European warehouses, including coverage for Lithuania, ensure quick delivery to Baltic and EU customers. If you're looking for a versatile supplier with seamless integrations, BigBuy is an excellent choice for dropshipping in Lithuania. At number 1, Oberlo via Shopify. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Oberlo, a dropshipping platform that connects you to Lithuanian and global suppliers. What they offer. Oberlo provides access to a vast range of products, including fashion, electronics, and beauty items, with competitive pricing. Why they're the best. Their easy Shopify integration automates product imports, inventory updates, and order fulfillment, streamlining your operations. Shipping advantage. Lithuanian suppliers on Oberlo offer fast delivery to European customers, helping you meet customer expectations. If you want automation, scalability, and access to Lithuanian suppliers, Oberlo is the ultimate platform to grow your dropshipping business. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Lithuania. Let's quickly recap the list. Oberlo via Shopify, best overall for automation and supplier variety. Big Buy European Hub, ideal for a wide product range and seamless integrations. Venepack, perfect for logistics, fulfillment, and fast European shipping. AliExpress, Lithuanian suppliers, great for variety and global product access. UAB Baltica, Internetworks, a trusted local supplier with a focus on quality. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business in Lithuania? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.